Here's a 2012 Honda CR-V. Check out this CR-V's fuel efficiency numbers, safety measures, and cargo capacity, and you'll be glad to drive it for the long haul. It boasts an impressive list of features like these: inline 4-cylinder engine, manual tilting steering column, external memory control, rear camera parking sensor, manual telescoping steering column, Bluetooth hands-free link, internet radio, multifunction steering wheel, and Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Motor Trend explains the new CR-V is exactly what it needs to be. Another heart-of-market people mover that sells hundreds of thousands of copies to buyers who rank fuel economy and versatility above all else. For that, Honda's nailed it again. It's a Honda, so longevity comes standard. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.